Good morning, my students. In previous video, I discussed about linear equation in two variables. An equation of the form of x plus by plus c is equal to 0 is the general form of linear equation in two variables, where a, b and c are real numbers and a and b are not equal to 0. Suppose a is equal to 0, 0 into x plus by plus c is equal to 0. So we get by plus c is equal to 0. So this is not in linear equation in two variables. Yes, this is linear equation in one variable, that is by plus c is equal to 0. Similarly, v is equal to 0, then we get ax plus c is equal to 0. That is also the linear equation in one. So a and b may not be 0. Now, linear equation in one variable has only one solution, but linear equation in two variable has infinitely many solutions. Suppose x plus 2y is equal to 6 is a linear equation in two variables, and we have to find the solution of this equation. For finding the solution of linear equation in two variables are two methods. There are two methods for finding the solution of linear equation in two variables. First method, we can say algebraical method. Now, algebraically we find the solution of the given equation, and second is graphical representation method. So here first we discussed about algebraical method. In this method, first we put or take any real values of any one of the variable as you like. Suppose here we put the values of x, and then we find the corresponding values of y. But you can take the any real values of y and find the corresponding values of x, and so on. So here we take x is equal to 0, then the given equation can be written as 2y is equal to 6. Therefore, y is equal to 3. So x is equal to 0, and y is equal to 3 is a solution of this equation. Now put x is equal to 2, and then 2 plus 2y is equal to 6, and 2y is equal to 4. Therefore, y is equal to 2. So x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 2 is also a solution of this equation. Suppose x is equal to 6, and then the given equation can be written as 2y is equal to 6 and 2y is equal to 0. Therefore, y is equal to 0. So x is equal to 6 and y is equal to 0 is also a solution. Here we find three solutions. This is the first solution, this is the second, and this is the third. So we can find other solution by putting the values of x in the equation and find the corresponding values of y. And so we can find the solution of the given equation in this method. This is known as algebraical method. And you know that a linear equation in two variable has infinitely many solutions. So we can find one solution, two solution, three solution, or more than three solution by putting the values of x or y, find the corresponding values of y and x, and so on. Now, exercise 4.1. Exercise 4.1 of NCERT. The cost of a notebook is twice the cost of a pen. Write a linear equation in two variables to represent this statement. This is the question number 1. Let the cost of a pen be rupees X and the cost of notebook be rupees Y. Given that the cost of a notebook, means the cost of Y, is equal to twice of the pen. So this is equal to Y is equal to 2x, and we write 2x minus y is equal to 0. This is the linear equation in two variables. Now question number 2. Express the following linear equation in the form of x plus b by plus c is equal to 0 and indicate the values of a, b and c in each case. Means you have to represent ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 in this form of the given equation. Suppose here is x is x 3x plus 2y, 3x plus 2 is equal to 0 is the given equation. This is the equation number 6, and you have to express this equation in this form. Ax plus b by plus c is equal to 0, and here is 3x plus 2 is equal to 0. Here a is equal to a 3x plus by 0 into y plus 2 is equal to 0. 0 into y is equal to 0. So 3x plus 0 is equal to 3x and plus 2 is equal to 0. But here is a contradiction. Contradiction is that the equation, an equation of the form of x plus b by plus c is equal to 0 is called a linear equation where a, b and c are real numbers and a and b are not equal to 0. And here we find that 3x plus 0 into y plus 2 is equal to 0. Here b is equal to 0. So b cannot see that 3x plus 2 is equal to 0 is a linear equation in two variables. We can express this equation in this form, but this is not the linear equation in two variables, because in the definition here we find that a and b are not equal to 0, and here we find that b is equal to 0. So we can represent, since you have to write the given equation in this form, so we write this equation in this form. But this is not linear equation in two variables. Now another question. y minus 2 is equal to 0. Y minus 2 is equal to 0. This is the question. And you have to represent in the form of ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Here, a in 0 into x is equal to 0 and plus y minus 2 is equal to 0. Now 0 into x plus by plus minus 2 is equal to 0. This is the form of ax plus by or plus c is equal to 0. So this is linear equation in one variable. What we can express this equation in the form of ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. But this is not in linear equation in two variables. Now, but in your book it is given that to express in this form. So we can express in this form. Here, on comparing this equation by this, we find that a is equal to 0, b is equal to how much? 1, b is equal to 1 and c is equal to minus 2. Sometimes you have to write the value of a, b and c of the given equation. So first of all, you will express the given equation in the form of ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 and then comparing the given equation by ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 and write the value of a, b and c. So here this is the given equation and we express this equation in the form of ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 and on comparing by ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, here we write a is equal to 0, b is equal to 1 and c is equal to minus 2. And this in this way we can write the other questions in the form of x plus by plus c is equal to 0. Now, exercise 4.2. Exercise 4.2. Which one of the following is true? Y is equal to 3x plus 5. Y is equal to 3x plus 5 has a unique solution, only two solution, infinitely many solutions. This is linear equation in two variables. This can be written as 3x plus minus 1y and plus 5 is equal to 0. So this is linear equation in two variables, and linear equation in two variables has infinitely many solutions. So the answer will be third. Write the four solutions for each of the following equation. Four solution we can find earlier in three solution. So similarly we can find the four solution. Find the value of k if x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 1 is the solution. Question number 4. Find the value of k if x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 1 in the equation 2x plus 3y is equal to k. Now putting the value of x and y in the given equation. Solution. So 2 into 2 plus 3 into 1 is equal to k and k is equal to 7. This is the answer. Now this is the exercise 4.2. Now homework exercise 4.1 and 4.2. Solve all the problems of exercise 4.1 and 4.2 of the NCERT book, and also you will solve the problems from R.S. Agrawal book. Thank you.